What's up guys, so right now we're actually in a cinema hall, but instead of the usual cinema projectors, we are using the LUMOS Auro, a short throw projector that has been purchased by many Malaysians. LUMOS can project from 30 inches up to 300 inches depending on how far you place it away from the wall, so that's what we're going to be testing out today. Alright, so this is the projector. It pushes 1080p resolution and supports Dolby Audio. You can see a bunch of ports here. On the back, we have a gigabit LAN port, a VGA port, two USB-A's, an AV port, and another one right here for you to connect to your speakers. This is, of course, the power plug, and on the side, we get two HDMI ports alongside an SD card slot. Okay, so now the projector is all set up. We are currently about 9.2 meters away from the screen. We're gonna see how a 300-inch projection really looks like. Okay, so I'm obviously pretty excited to be using LUMOS in the cinema right now because there's not that much space at home, you know. And right now we're actually looking at the home page and there are so many apps readily in LUMOS. You get Netflix, there's YouTube, there's even Play Store if you want to download additional app, which is like so cool. You'll also get a controller with this projector and that makes it so much easier for you to navigate through everything. You can control the volume, easily go back to your home menu, mute the projector, and so much more. Oh, and if you own a wireless keyboard and mouse, you can even connect them to the back of the projector. Okay, so today's main agenda is not watching a movie. Instead, we are going to be playing with the PS5. So it's very easy, you just need to plug in the HDMI cable on both devices and you can enjoy your PS5 games on this massive screen. Okay, no more talking, let's game. Now this is impressive because the display is huge and it's 1080p, so you're getting a really sharp display and the colors are quite nice for a 300-inch display. So if you ask me, I say that this is a great option for you and your friends to game together, especially if you want to do it on a huge screen. You don't even need a monitor or a TV, you just need a projection screen or an empty wall and you're good to go. So wait, what do you think? Is it fun?
Yeah, it's totally fun. I mean, this is every gamer's dream, right? To be playing video games on a cinema screen. And this is my dream coming true for sure. And honestly, the LUMOS Auro does a pretty good job of projecting our game on the PS5 on this massive screen. It's definitely 1080p, but that's absolutely fine. There's also very little lagging and I think latency issue as well. Everything feels quite responsive considering it's like a huge screen, right?
So that's our experience with the LUMOS Auro projector. I think it was really fun, especially since it's so user-friendly and portable. It's also very convenient because you already have all these apps installed inside and you also get a remote control that does all the navigation for you. Personally, this will be my go-to options when it comes to movie nights and gaming sessions. So if you are interested in getting one, the LUMOS Auro starts from 999 ringgit, which is a steal if you ask me. If you'd like to know more, do check out our description box down below. And that's it for our video today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV. Goodbye!